whispering tales of old, moons aglow so pale and cold, guardian in the shades unseen. In the night we live this dream. Echoes in the corridor of light, chasing shadows till the morning bite. In the void we drift and sway, lost in words that fade away. Dusk to dawn in the twilight's trance, caught in an ephemeral dance. Skin to skin in the velvet air, fleeting moments, hearts we bear. Waves of time ripple through our souls, silent secrets that we never told. Frozen time in a crystal sphere. In this haze, it's all so clear. Eyes that glisten with a